In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete Pinterest account on laptop PC. If you're ready to remove your Pinterest presence for good, I'll walk you through the exact path on a laptop or desktop browser and explain what to expect along the way. Before you begin, make sure you're on a computer and signed into the account you want to delete because you'll need access to your settings. Also, remember that deletion is permanent. Pins, boards, followers, and any saved content tied to this account will be removed and you won't be able to get them back. If there's anything you might need later, consider saving copies beforehand. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Pinterest.com. Once the page loads and you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a menu labeled Settings and Support. This is the menu that houses all the tools you'll need to manage your account and data. Open that menu to reveal more options. From there, choose Settings. This takes you into your account's configuration area, where you can fine-tune everything from your profile to notifications. We're focusing on your data controls, which is where permanent deletion lives. Inside Settings, find and select Privacy and Data. This section is specifically designed for how Pinterest handles your information. It's where you manage visibility, personalization, and, most importantly here, data controls related to your account. Within Privacy and Data, locate the option called Delete Data. This is the critical choice that initiates the permanent removal of your account and its associated content. When you select Delete Data, Pinterest may display a confirmation screen explaining the implications, such as the loss of boards and pins and the fact that the deletion can't be undone. Read those details carefully so you know exactly what's happening. You may be asked to verify that you're the account owner or to acknowledge the finality of the action. That's normal and helps protect your privacy. A few quick tips before you finalize things. If you use Pinterest to sign into other services, make sure you have alternate logins set up there. After deletion, that connection will no longer work. If you manage multiple Pinterest accounts, double check which one is currently signed in so you don't remove the wrong one. And if you're unsure whether you want a full, permanent removal, you can review the privacy settings first to see if a less drastic change meets your needs. That's it. Follow this path. Pinterest, Settings and Support, Settings, Privacy and Data, then Delete Data to permanently delete your Pinterest account on your laptop or PC.